So sabi niya, I highly recommend this community lalo na sa mga beginner pa lang sa Forex and pati na rin sa may experience. First, they offer free boot kung sa iba ay may bayad, pero sa kanila free lang 100%. Second, ipaparealize nila sa'yo kung gaano lang ka-simple mag-trade at hindi dapat stressful. Yung mga complicated na bagay, pinapadali nila. And the third, the community, sobrang saya. You are learning while having fun. Meet new traders and learn from experiences. Pati mga coaches, sobrang approachable. Kudos, iPro Trading Community. Thank you, Sir Renz! And definitely, mamimit mo rin yung mga fellow traders dito na who started with, kumbaga, medyo rocky path like every trader, pero sooner or later, they realize their potential. Kasi nga, like you said, dapat simple lang ang trading. Hindi dapat complicated. And dapat hindi siya stressful. Kasi alam naman natin, trading has always been a psychological battle. Regardless what strategies you know, kung kayo ay magiging stress sa mga trades nyo, most likely you will not be profitable. Most likely, marami kayong mamimiss out na opportunities or you will make decisions that could, syempre, baka makasunog ng account nyo. Which is something na dito sa iPro Trading Community talagang dapat you want to be in an environment na, kumbaga, family-oriented, light na alam mong welcome ka, hindi ka ma-judge. Basically, no toxicity, syempre, di ba? Kaya yan ang pinaka-highlight namin dito sa iPro.
If you are looking for reliable Forex trading education, dito tayo sa iPro. Bakit? We teach quality knowledge for free! Plus, we have a supportive community who learns together, trade together, which eventually grows together. So tara, sa next Forex trading orientation. Click the link sa description or comment section to save your spot now. See you sa next bootcamp, Kaya Pro!